So this is the course on scientific writing and publishing. We are just focusing on the beginners level because this complete concept of scientific writing and publishing is not a easy task. It takes years for a person to actually grow, learn, and you know um to actually put all the things which he have learned, it get like to gain the experience. Okay, it takes a lot of time. Okay, for me it took I have been working on research papers since 2011, to be very frank. Okay, and now 2022 has already started, so now I feel that I am very much into writing, and I have that confidence that if I write even by myself, I'll be able to go for a good kind of publication that may be ranging beyond impact factor of 7 or 8 or 10. Okay, so that confidence comes with time, with your experience, and particularly with your hard work. Okay, so don't think that this one single course is going to teach you the complete thing, but it can give you some necessary guidance which you can opt. Okay, to actually start exploring your dimensions. Okay, this is completely based on the experience which I have gained. I am like not trying to give you anything which many of the YouTubers, many of the other courses are going to deliver. So whatever I have done, the way I have progressed in my publication, the way I proceed from starting from the planning to the final publication of any of the manuscript, this is what I'm going to teach you and in this place. Okay, the main focus of this course will not be on the writing part, not on the English part. Okay, why? Because English is something that is a language that has to be learned by a person himself or herself. If you need anything, any discussion about on the language perspective, I can refer you to a course. You can go and join that. Okay, it is free of cost. If you are not willing for a certificate, it is on Coursera. Writing in Sciences. It is taken by a professor in Stanford University. She has beautifully told that how you actually are going to write the English part. Okay, like what verbs to use, where to use, what not to use, what language to use. Okay, so she has tried to deliver those parts in a nice kind of lecture, so you can go and join that course as well along with this 4-day course. um, we are going to get better knowledge about more about like in the practical terms how to think. Okay, how to plan, how to organize, and how to proceed. Okay, so these are the basic things which I feel personally a student is lacking and no one is telling to them. Okay, so with that perspective I have prepared this course. Okay, so the major modules, I have already sent you this image. So we will be dealing with the introductory section where we will try to understand what all are the components of a journal site and a specific article, how to do a literature survey, and something about literature article writing, like how you have to read the article, how you have to think about writing of the article. Okay, that planning part, not the English part, that the planning part. Okay, then how you have to prepare the artwork. Okay, artwork is anything that is your schematics, your graphs, your illustrations, anything that is figure, that comes under the artwork. So how you are going to proceed with that. In the final step we will be dealing with the article summation. So how you are going to find a journal. Okay, what is the critical key parameter which decides like this is the perfect journal for me. Okay, so that thing I'm going to tell you. Then again I will be telling you like what all documentations you require before thinking of even the publication of the publication of any manuscript. There are some documentations that need to be prepared by author. So those documents, how they have to be prepared, I'll give you those samples itself, using which I have already published my papers. Okay, so those samples directly I'm going to give you, and at the last stage we will discuss about the manuscript submission process. I'll take you through, like we will submit one manuscript, almost submit a manuscript. I'm not going to submit it, but we are going through that process, like what all things you have to do, how you have to do. So those things I'm going to deal with. Okay.